eni ora Koku Anyido ho former deputy general deputy general secretary ma NDC amoyeko Koku Anyido memo achi o.
Good morning, Kwame Chike. Mr. Mawachi Mijoso.
Naboko de.
President Padarma, actually, on 1st April, a new month, a new beginning.
Amen.
Second quarter of the year. Yandana Siana, Bunia from Jabadanasi.
Kokuna, yeti unkanche nanze ushahini.
Oh, I was saying, level of last week, Nami was Tunisia. I was a Council of African Political Parties. I'm here vice president. The Korea Council meeting and economic forum view Tunisia. So I was there the whole of last week in about Friday night. We were doing Coco Friday, Korea Southern Sector Cadres Conference. There were Capital View Hotel Saturday. Very excellent program. Comrade Huruyaya, Comrade Guzitano, Chichiro Tukunumo. Ekasa was there, former chairman of Samoa was there, Comrade Ekibushin Ako, and Nedimo Akutini, Comrade Opofusu, and the chair program. I think that this Saturday was one of the most exciting moments for me in the month of March. NDC Jinan so okay kids, young kids now abem nti se kida kwame na mo ko fize okusha won kita puma ayen to me nanti debi and I say kids of the revolution some negative tag na what was the kids here to prove for e je kids in shia na man fu to say kids kushia akoploti kubidium debi kwame. The truth of the matter is that the cadres gave birth to the NDC. It's as simple as that. Cadres, no.
Me kai say keda a Spanish word cadre.
Thank you. Ked and food soldiers. It's the same as cadres. That they were cadres of the revolution. They were food soldiers of the revolution. So that time, no, no democracy, no war, no revolution, and no war. And you needed food soldiers or cadres of the revolution. And in the WDC, Workers' Defense Committee.
PWD. WC.
Just to propagate the ideals of the revolution. Say we don't go see that many cheaters every day. That be that wala. And no one NDC for year and food soldiers. And no NPP for so food soldiers. It's just that no man for here. There are some beasts to be a mushing with a no money.
Now, I Kokwe, make I say, what Captain Courage Kashiga Major, sorry. Ebra, a Jiwa, and we are saying, Komu be a kua. Make I say, Kuno, Anya ye, na Sabre will be a year GBC then. No, I say, I Captain Kashiga, on behalf of the members of the PNDC. Wants to assure the whole nation that all is under control. Therefore, all PDCs and WDCs should go on with their normal duties without fear. Hey!
And Saturday, no many young guys. I lived. Not that I yes, I made a machine. Believe me, I Kwame Sefaka in the book. The Kwame Sefaka in the Mini Abrebo, any Sunday school level, a Bama Camp Garage Methodist Sunday Sunday Mammy and Tissa for Safwa, and a idea of Sunday school.
Hey,
yeah,
I just have to
the signal regiment, signal corps. Kwame Papa here wedding, Nami Papa no never Beckman.
Hey!
Oh, yes. So Kwame, there been Abrebo, we are brothers.
Wow.
Oh, yeah. So
Mebo, oh papa, and a year, Kwame Sefaka a papa, a best man.
Yes, when he was married, mother, yeah.
Wow.
In fact, we are from the same constituency, who central. From the Kwame Sefaka in Free and I'm from the whole central constituency.
And then you blow pow.
Oh, yeah. Oh. And people don't know that. People don't know the history. Sometimes who are born here and I'm moving there. And America said, Kwame, we survived May 15th, June 4th, 31st. We witnessed it. And yes, I was in Burma camp here, Babadi Village, Kutuka Primary School. And then I can see Jerry Rawlings standing at Nicholson Park, bare-chested on the Mohawk. So we saw the revolution. We saw May 15th, June 4th, 31st. And here Ghana, F5, Yamedum, and then Yadebedu Sap and Pensoi. So the traders have decided that, look, let us begin to retell that story. Instead of we don't take our democracy for granted, because Kwame, you witness it. Yamana, as at 79, na Bibiana Ghana, Unya essential conclusion, Unya edited, Unya Samina Jare, Unya teaching Vanyet, Unya Milo, no crown, and open teaching, Unya Brudo, Unya Fi. Today we have so many things, we're taking everything for granted. And it's after the year, you know, I can't say 1992, you're very democracy. You're in fight two, and your politics, you're the ballot box, never politics. Now, if you're not and then you're JJ two, and my Mebunu, kitchen two, and the year Akakabination, say, political parties are sitting to Kubi. Kwame, are we not destroying the democracy that we all say we want?
Yo, Kwagwe, na Mami Musa, Kedes then, me kaipa, we no go sit down with them cheaters every day, and that so be and chitu be. I feel ye Musa the relevance of the Kederism in our body politics today, and say
the relevance, they say the NDC has a history. MPP too have their history. The NDC has a history. The CPP has a history. And to the case there's no more relevance today, they say, history na NDC one. Me and Tunkunyi, the history of probity and accountability, Kwame. The history of probity and accountability. Now, we share near lecture, Hudu Maye, we share the Aguzi Maye, we share near Chichri Puku Maye, Kwame. Excellent. That's retracing us. Because we need to know our history. What makes us different from the MPP? Adena 1992, the NDC, your friend, National Democratic Congress, our young friend, National Democratic Party. How did it become a Congress instead of a party? It became a Congress because it had to be the umbrella to bring the left of politics and the right of politics together. That is why it's a Congress and not a party. Why we chose our colors. Why we have the umbrella as our symbol. Kwame, it is the cadres that will did all the legwork and gave birth to the NDC. How the Consultative Assembly, people became members of the Consultative Assembly. At the time, no, UP4, no, MPP4, almost boycott the Consultative Assembly. Ghana Bar Association, a boycotted Consultative Assembly. Because they said, any butcher for, any tailor for, any driver for, any mate for, any judge for, and Consultative Assembly, and show your party the national constitution. But and then, almost the constitution, as a Muslim, as a woman of the buy. So we need to tell the story to the young group of NDC people for them to understand the reason why we are NDC. So, Kwame, that is the relevance of the NDC. Otherwise, we are losing our identity.
Okay, Kwagwe, na mamemra wo. Say nhemu ya mukopie ye, ensem ba ko a ene de today e de aba ne say. Wo say no celebs and as celebrities for 2020 campaign for NDC. Now so mo makwan ma yes who describe wo mo class wo mo ye strangers. Eh na de Kwagwe say una control NDC campaign ana. Eh na say.
Kwagwe asebo. But asem why I say me makano. Benkwana maka. Nyina ya ndi antu 2016 election no. Nyama bi touch ma.
But I'm a PM celebrities na mamu lusu here there.
What are you talking about? What? Yes, we will use party structures. That's the point I was making. So we shall use the party structures. Kwame Yatuaba, a national executive. Yatuaba, a regional executive. Yatuaba, a constituency executive. And Yatuaba, a branch executive. Yatuaba, Mohamed Omrede. Omuntina Hokeke, Omuntajo de Puslim. Yatuaba, send the media can before our region, our national, our constituency, any branch. The party structures work. President Mahama Kazaka. Now no uncle campaign. What can several that look this time around he will work with the party structure. If the Papa you do work and remember anything. All we are saying is that we shall empower the structures. Say come me free tanibe. Now me free tanibe. I mean me see me correct campaign every hour. Imprugu. I mean imprugu terrain. Now constituency chairman imprugu. Now me me can. I'm not saying that but the constituency. Tell me the campaign wo. Not you hear. Abraham mean take us no. Me terrain no. Then I say I'm going to his constituency. We could do what? Now, me terrain, that's not many MPP for whom they think of. Now, my first party paraphernalia, I become an MPP for Namiko. Now, because we are constituency chairman, again, if anything, to be better on the edge, man. So, we are going to empower the grassroots, we're going to empower the structures to go. It's as simple as that. If you want to join the campaign, go and join your branch. And the celebrities, they make movies, they make money, but they will not be in control of the NDC campaign. As simple as that, Maka. Let anybody dare go and form a campaign to say, or the most celebrities, there's no right job now. We've made some mistakes in 2016. We will not repeat those mistakes in 2020. It's as simple as that. Kwame, I'm a former deputy general secretary of the party. In all humility, I used to be director of communications at the presidency. I ran a campaign in 2008. President Mills Baye. We know what we did. That time now, you're door to door, house to house. 90 people was saying, and you're door to door, house to house. You're for big billboards, I can see, you're for celebrities. At that time, no matter what do, and there's celebrity campaign. Near your big party. Maybe into foreign, in four upper beach. You baby, you are not on a number of Google beach on, and then you can bring me. NDC gentle door to door, house to house. As we bro, at the Nancy, we need 2008. I'm on 7 Nana Akufo-Addo and Tiasi. After 2016, Nana Akufo-Addo adopted NDC campaign. After all, the bro. Now, so yeah, NDC, yeah, the billboard that can see any celebrities. HTSN. What you do, Mecca? Because I have a stake in this NDC. Then they should open their ears because we shall talk more. Because here tonight in yesterday, my party Engu. That is why the cadres met on Saturday. Yeah, my homeless and make sure that this party is back. Anybody who doesn't want to hear, too bad. This business where they gang up and they install the founder. Me the founder came. Founder Brea and May 15th, group of Mr. 81 by Kwame, give me a break.